welcome to our YouTube channel Byte Boost. I hope you all are doing good. In the last video, we have discussed about the formula where how you can use count if and count if. And in this video, we are going to learn how you can use the conditional sum with some ifs. But before to that, if you have not subscribed the channel, do not forget to press bell icon and subscribe the channel. So without any delay, let's jump into the topic. So now we do have this two values. So with these two values, I would like to use the conditional sum. For example, here if I'll use sum and simple the sum if, I'll select the range that is this criteria and the criteria for this range the sum. Okay, so the criteria for this range is this one, right? And some range I would like to select for this one, and if I'll close the bracket and if I'll hit the enter, the values will be this. So what I did is I selected only for this value, this criteria, and I have sum for this gross sale. So in this table, if there is any criteria value which would be the gross sale in F column, so it will sum. So total sum of this gross sales which is appear in this table for criteria is this value. Now the challenge for us is I would like to use this Montana here, and I want to see this Montana from the Germany. What is the gross sale? So here we are going to check two conditions. First, it should be Montana, and second condition, it should be Germany. So here, so for example, if I'll write sum f's and the sum range would be this one, and the criteria range for this is this. Okay, and then criteria it is asking, then criteria for this one is Montana. I'll select, so this one I have selected, and again the criteria range to where I would like to check the country which is Germany, and again I'll select this one and I'll select entire column for this, and here again I would like to go for this is the Germany, and I'll close the bracket. Now so you can see this is the value where the country is Germany and the product is Montana. So if you will change to this any value, for example, peso, I would like to change. So here, as you can see here, the total value it is reflecting here. Okay. Now this is the total gross sale for peso in Germany. So I hope you understood how you can use this sumifs, and if you have any data where you'd like to use sumifs for any particular product or any particular value, so you can simply let me know, or you can simply ping us or write in the comment section, or just reach us out in our official mail ID. So if you have any other questions or query, you can simply write in the comment section. Stay tuned with the Byte Boost. Take care. Bye bye.